Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Travel Soul. Weather is getting hotter day by day and my car air conditioning system is not blowing enough cold air. So we are going to refill the air conditioner refrigerant today with the help of this red tack. And this is 12A and R134A. You can find it from Walmart or Canadian Tire. But in order to fill this up, you need a gauge, which I'm gonna show you. So it's better to have this reading gauge, so it will give you an idea about the quantity of the pressure inside. So one side you can see this will attach to the can. I will show you when we will attach this. And on the other side, this is gonna attach with the compressor side on the lower side. That will indicate with L also, and usually that side is smaller than the other side. So the first step is you have to locate the correct side. So in the first step, we are going to locate the lower end port. As you can see, this is the port, but this is not the lower one, so I'm going to put it back. In my car, the lowest port is down there, and I'm going to just take it out and will show you. This is the lower port. And another thing, let me show you. This hose is only gonna fit on its appropriate size, which is the lower port. This is not gonna fit in this side, so don't worry about this. This is gonna fit on the lower side only. Now in the next step, make sure that this handle is fully loosened before we connect this with the can. This side we're gonna connect with the can. You can see this sharp needle. This gonna pierce the can, and the other side going to connect to the lower side or lower port. Now in next step, first we are going to connect this side with the can. Okay folks, as you can see, I already connected this side to the can and I fully loosened this. And now in the next step, I am going to attach this side to my car AC lower port. So you just need to push this back and then try to connect it with the hose. Okay, and then leave that. Now I already connected the other side also, and we need to check if there is any air inside or anything. We can just loosen a bit this can, and we can see if any sound will come. So looks like nothing is there. Okay folks, as you can see, I fixed both the sides, one attached to the can and another attached to the compressor hose. And now the next step is you have to switch on your car, and your fan and your AC should be at maximum speed, high speed. And then after that you have to slowly move this handle down so that it will pierce the can, and then you have to start moving gently this can, and the gas, the AC refrigerant should start moving from this can to your compressor refrigerant, and you will feel it once the refrigerant will go into the system. You can feel that, and time to time you can check the reading, and you can check inside also if it's blowing cold air. And then after that you have to switch off the car, and first you have to remove the hose that attach with the system, and then you can just leave it this on. Maybe there is some remaining refrigerant inside which you can use later stage also, but if you do not need it, you have to recycle it very carefully. It's flammable, and I personally do not recommend to store it, but if you want to do it, do your complete due diligence. And one more thing, I'm not a mechanic, I'm just showing you this as an informative video. So do your complete due diligence before doing this, and once you feel confident, only go for it. So folks, that was for today. I hope I gave you some useful information for today, and these were some tips and tricks. So stay tuned for next video, and bye for now.